day 15 of Vlogmas, and we are walking into Target. Eric and Jude are with me, but they left me. They're on a mission to get in there before me, I guess. But I'm gonna get a Starbucks. They better not be busy. We gotta finish some more Christmas shopping. Jude, what do you got? Did you get a cake pop? Oh, wow. Jude's just living his best life right now. Can you say open, please? Oh, you just want them to stay there for now? Do you want me to open them?
No, open.
No? Okay. You ready to go? Say onward. This is the first time I've had coffee in like over 2 weeks because like my heart issues. I wanted to like cut out caffeine to see if that would help, and I've missed coffee so much. I'm so glad to have it again. Say hi. Say hi. You want me to open them? Okay, say open, please. Me and Eric are back from shopping. We didn't do as much as we had planned because he's tired. He works the graveyard shift. So we just decided to skip on lunch and a couple of stores and just come home because I can just go tomorrow when I get off work. But Ellie and me are gonna wrap a couple of presents. I got my dog something. I got her a bed too. Do you wanna go grab her bed? And then a couple of things for Judy Dude. So we're gonna...
It comes with a blanket that she's not gonna use ever.
Yeah, it comes with like this little like thing where she can like crawl inside like a blanket. She'll probably never use that because she doesn't like to be like covered up. So she'll probably just lay on it.
Like right now, she's just laying on Mom's blanket.
Yeah, she's laying on the blanket back there behind me. But yeah, she needed a new dog bed. She got one from the shelter when I brought her home, but I'm like, that's depressing. She probably wants a nice new soft one that doesn't remind her of the time. She was literally only there for like a week before I came and snatched her up. I was like, you're coming home with me. But I just want her to feel cozy and comfy, and she'll probably rip these all to shred within like a day.
Except the balls are just like a tennis ball.
Except for probably that. She loves the ball that she has now.
And she loves the rope, but she goes really rough with them.
She did shred a rope before.
Yeah.
So look at her. She's like, I'm gonna come sneak a peek at my Christmas present. Get out of here, maybe.
She's a 2-year-old, 15-pound, very strong puppy.
Oh, Jude's almost out of wrapping paper.
Oh no. Well,
oh no. We might have to use some of the other one. Hand me any snowman one that's in there. I'll see if any of these will fit. We gotta hurry because Jude's here and this is for him, and I don't want him to see because he'll want it right now. Hurry, tape it. Hurry faster. Tape it, hurry! He's choking me!
Small triangle pizza slice, and then you gotta pull it up, and then tape.
Get a bow.
Actually, it doesn't look too bad on the back.
Yeah, you did a good job. Oh, yeah.
Okay. It looked like you got them 2 Play-Dohs. I just smack it on there like wham bam, we got a bow on, man. Let's do the candy cane one. Okay, so J U B
D E
D.
Jude. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do.
That's a J.
Your turn. Hello.
Dad.
Say I love you.
Dad.
Ew. She just licked my teeth.
Ew. Okay, I got Jude's name on there.
Okay.
I want it to be from me, and then the next one will be from Bubba.
Okay, that sounds like a good idea. She wants her present so bad. What are you doing? It's craft time. I don't even know what day of Craftsmas this is because we're behind a day. So I think this is day 3. Say hi. Are we gonna make a craft?
Don't touch.
Yeah.
Don't touch.
Yeah, we're gonna make... Bye. You're funny. So I might try to fit in 2 crafts today or maybe tomorrow because tomorrow's Friday. So I think we'll try to do 2 tomorrow and we'll just do 1 for tonight. But we're gonna make a cute little like snowman card thingy. So let's get to it. Little finished snowman card kind of thing, and that opens and she can turn it into a little card. And then here's Jude's little hand that I had to do mostly for him, and then I just wrote his name and the year that we made it. He was not feeling the craft tonight. You didn't want to craft tonight? No? Yeah, Ellie. Are you ready for Advent? Okay, we gotta do 13. This one. You gotta do 3 because we have been very behind. Okay, open. This one, open.
3.
Yeah, that's 3, but this is 13. Can you open 13?
Alright, let's do 13 first. What?
Yeah, 1.
I got like a shooting
8.
star. What?
21.
Snowflake. Yeah.
9. 6. 20.
Santa.
13. Okay, open it.
You're awesome.
Do you want help?
This one looks weird. Oh.
Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with this.
I'm sorry, it's me.
That's not a, is that a snowman? That's a trumpet. Okay, now you gotta do 14. Where's 14? Yeah, here's 14. Can you open? Oh, what's that one? What's teddy bear? Okay, can you do 15?
First one.
Can you open it? What's that one? Drums. There you go. All done. Now you're gonna have 3 chocolates. 3.
What else did you get?
A teddy bear, a trumpet, and drums. Jude, did you just eat all 3 of those at the same time?
That's what I did.
No, yes you did. What are you, 11? I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this vlog. I know it's like a really short one today, but with like sick kids and stuff, it's just hard to, you know, get anything done really. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe because it really helps me out, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.